Don't spend a fortune at the pharmacy. Do what my grandma used to do, a remedy passed down in our family for generations. The main ingredient is ginger. It naturally warms the body and gives great support when the weather turns cold. First, cut the ginger into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This helps clean the ginger and makes the skin smoother. Pour in water, stir, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. If there's any residue left, scrub it off with a brush and trim rough spots with a small knife. Rinse the ginger in fresh water. Boil a large pot of water, place a metal strainer inside, and add the ginger. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces. Once softened, take it out, slice it thinly, and spread it out on a tray so the pieces don't touch. Leave them on the windowsill to dry completely. When the slices are dry, transfer them to jars. Usually, you'll get about 2 full jars. Add a tablespoon of sugar to each. Pour balsamic vinegar into one and regular vinegar into the other. Store at room temperature. After about 10 days, they're ready to eat. Enjoy 2 slices a day. The ginger gently warms from within, supports digestion, and helps relieve heaviness after meals. A natural, time-tested way to strengthen your body without any unnecessary additives. Just 1 spoonful a day. Grate a carrot and fill a glass jar with it. Squeeze the juice of half a lime, add a bit of honey, and mix well. This homemade juice supports the liver, boosts immunity, improves skin and vision, and gives you energy. It also helps cleanse the body and supports digestion. Homemade cough syrup without sugar and with just 3 ingredients. Put an onion, an apple, and a potato in a pot. The apple soothes the mucous membranes, the potato supports the airways, and the onion fights bacteria and helps clear mucus. Simmer on low heat for 30 minutes, then let it cool slightly. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. Pure natural support in its simplest form. 1 tablespoon of this homemade elixir replaces a product from the pharmacy for me. I slice 1 red onion. It's rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. It helps cleanse the body of toxins. Next, I slice a clove of garlic. It contains allicin, which supports the immune system. I put everything into a jar and pour olive oil over it. Then I place the jar in a pot with water and heat it up. It's important that the temperature doesn't go above 248 degrees Fahrenheit. After a few minutes, I take the jar out. 1 tablespoon of this syrup a day replaces many pharmacy products. It boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, improves circulation and digestion, and protects the heart. A natural syrup for year-round immunity and vitality. A remedy making a comeback for good reason. Start by peeling several heads of garlic. Garlic helps cleanse the body, strengthen the immune system, and boost vitality in the way our grandmothers already knew. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and thanks to allicin and sulfur, it acts as a natural shield throughout the year. The next ingredient is cloves. These small aromatic spices are packed with essential oils. Now take a large, clean jar. Add the peeled garlic cloves and layer them with cloves. Fill the jar almost to the top, then cover everything with natural honey. Honey is not only a natural preservative, but also a source of energy, enzymes, and compounds that support the body. Combined with garlic and cloves, it enhances their beneficial effects. Seal the jar tightly and turn it upside down so the ingredients blend well. Leave it for a few days. During this time, the garlic, cloves, and honey will develop their full strength, creating a powerful natural syrup. Just 1 teaspoon a day, as prevention supports your immunity all year round. A simple ritual to care for yourself in harmony with nature. Sprinkle cinnamon on apple peel. You've got to try this. The benefits are unlike anything you've seen before. Take 2 well-washed apples and peel them, but don't throw the peels away. That's where the real power lies. Apple peel is packed with valuable antioxidants and fiber. Place the peels into a large pot and add a handful of bay leaves. Their rich aroma adds a unique depth and offers powerful natural properties. Now for a warm, fragrant touch. Add a tablespoon of cinnamon. Pour in about 4 cups of water and simmer with the lid on for around 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to blend the ingredients. Once it cools a bit, strain the liquid through a sieve and pour it into your favorite glass. Add a tablespoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. With just a few simple ingredients, you've made a warming, aromatic drink full of rich flavor and wellness benefits. Just a few minutes, and you're giving your body something truly good in the simplest way. Natural home remedy for overeating. It eliminates bloating, gas, and stomach pain while supporting digestion. The feeling of fullness disappears instantly, bringing quick relief. Take half a teaspoon of coriander seeds and crush them in a mortar. Coriander improves digestion and helps with bloating. Add cumin seeds, known for relieving stomach pain, bloating, and digestive issues. Cumin regulates bowel function, aids both diarrhea and constipation, and stimulates digestive juices. Next, add a few black peppercorns. The piperine in black pepper promotes stomach acid and enzyme production. Include a small piece of ginger to combat bloating, nausea, and vomiting. Add dried mint, which stimulates digestion and soothes discomfort caused by overeating. Lastly, mix in a pinch of turmeric, which boosts bile production, aiding fat digestion. Crush all ingredients well. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Add the spice mixture and bring to a boil. Simmer for about 5 minutes, then strain the liquid. This drink relieves bloating, excessive gas, and stomach pain caused by overeating. Drink 1 glass in the morning and evening until symptoms subside. In much smaller amounts, it can also be given to children over 12 months old. Do you have your own remedies for overeating? This syrup is from my grandma's recipe. Start by taking 5 lemons and placing them in a bowl. Lemons aren't just delicious. They're a great source of vitamin C, which supports your immune system, especially in the winter. Next, pour water over them. In a separate container, prepare some baking soda. Sprinkle it over the lemons and rub it in thoroughly. Then rinse the baking soda off. Repeat for the remaining lemons. Once all are cleaned, rinse them again in fresh water and transfer them to another bowl. Slice the lemons into thin rounds. Now grab a large piece of ginger. Peel it and slice it up. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and helps fight infections. For this mixture, you'll need a jar. Before using it, it's best to sterilize it. Place the jar in a pot of water, bring it to a boil, then let it dry on a clean towel. Now start layering the lemon slices in the jar, just like I do. Add the ginger slices in the middle. Then pour honey into the jar, covering the lemons. Seal the jar and turn it upside down. That's it. In just a few minutes, you'll have a natural syrup that warms you up and boosts your immunity. It's the perfect support against colds and a great way to strengthen your body during chilly days.